Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys on how you can use screen recording on your laptop to record anything you want to do online, either teaching, either you want to show people how to make money online on YouTube. I will show you the app you can use on your laptop to record your screen, right? And the app is totally free. You don't need to pay any single money. So make sure you watch this video to the end and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just click on this subscribe button and make sure you click on this all, so that whenever I release a new video on how to make money online, tip like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification on your mobile phone. So after you have already subscribed, just come to your Google and type OBS Studio. You right now OBS Studio. Can you see this is OBS Studio? Then you have to just download the app on your Play Store. Click on download, then wait for it to load up. Then you have to just click on the first link here. All right, then if you are using either Linux, Macs, you can, but I'm using Windows, so I'll just select Windows. Okay, then the app will install to my mobile phone, so Windows 11 whatever. So I'll just click on this window. So the app is loading right now. So it's loading right now. So it's now downloading to my browser. Can you see when you click on downloading? To the downloading is still on process. Less than 5 minutes right now. It will be on my computer. So let me just wait a bit for it to load up. Download right away. All right, let me just check this area. Okay, it has been okay. Resume connection. Let me just, maybe it's been loaded. All right, so I think it has been downloaded to my phone. Let me just go and check my folder. So when you click on the folder, it may be on my folder. So this is the app on my folder. I think the application has been, so let me just click on it twice, so that it can start downloading to my computer right now. So let me just wait a bit for it to start downloading on my laptop. All right, so it's loading right now. Let me just, okay, right, okay, can you see, do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? I will not click on yes. So I have to just wait for it to so I will not click on next. All right, I will not click on next. So let me just try to install. So I will not click on this install right now. All right, okay, let me just maybe I'm recording some files. Okay, let me just try to install it. I'll get back to you. So right now I will now click on finish. So I've already installed the app, finish. So the next thing is to just start streaming. So let me just wait for it to load up. All right, it's loading up right away. It's loading. Let me just wait for it to load up right away. So right now, after you have already installed the app on your laptop, it will look like this. You cannot even record anything yet until you set it up. So right, let me just do the setting. So when you see the interface like this, just come to this socks. Can you see the socks? So you don't have anything, so click on this socks. When you click on source, you have to just enable the audio. Click on audio input capture. Then click, can you see, make sure you leave it on create a new. Don't go for this add editing. Click on this, make sure the thing is on create a new, then click on this OK. Then you have to just select the audio on your laptop. You can use this one, micro array. This is my own one. This is my own. And then I can use this one as well. But let me just do this one for the sake of this video on my laptop. Then I will now click on this OK. Can you see can you see the thing has already been recording right now, my audio. Then the next step, just come to this plus again. When you click on the plus again, you have to just enable the capture to allow your screen to be showing. All right, so you have to just enable capture here. Then you have to just click on make sure you leave it on create a new, then click on OK. Then you have to just leave it automatic. Just leave it automatic. Okay, then leave just this one as well, leave it like this. It's very okay. Then you now click on this OK as well. Click on OK. Can you see? That means it's capturing what I'm doing right now on my screen. Then the next step, if you want to allow the screen record to be showing your face, let's say you are recording a YouTube video, right, and you want people to see your face. As I'm recording this video right now, maybe I want people to see my face. Then you come to this area again, come to this area, then you do come to this video capture device, so that it can allow you to be people will be seeing you as you are recording your video on YouTube. Let me just click on that area. Then you click on this OK. Can you see people are start seeing me? All right, this is my HP True version 8. So that is it. You can, if you want to use another one, okay, the vault. Okay, let me just custom. Okay, let me just leave it like that. Then you now click on this OK. So you need to just make sure you put it like this. So you can put it on this area, you can put it on your right, on this side, anyone you like on the area. You can just try to drag it anywhere you like it. Okay, you can drag it anywhere you like it. Okay, all right. So let me just drag it to my on this area. All right. Okay, I can leave it anyhow I like, or I can just make it. All right, then I can just leave it on this area. Okay, so if you are getting value from this video, try to subscribe and like this video. Okay, so that's all I've already done with this. Then the next step now, maybe you want to when you want to record a video, you want a maybe when you press any key like R key, A key, or whatever, any keyboard on your laptop, you want them to, okay, let me just go to settings here, or let me just do something here right quick. Okay, come to these settings when you come to these settings, let's say you want to use Alt key. When you press letter R, it will stop. When you press letter V, it will start recording. So come to this Alt key area. Alt key means let's say I want to use letter R as my start recording. I will just put your mouse here on this area, letter R, then stop recording. I will now push letter V. That is my stop recording. So if you want to pause, I can use letter A as my pause. So, but this kind, I don't normally use this kind of thing because you may press it, it may not work at times. So I don't normally use this kind of things. So but you may use it if you like it. So then you click on this OK, but I don't want to use it. So right now, so if another thing, let's say, then another thing right now, you need to know where your video will be safe. If you want to, when after you have already recorded or something finished, then click on this output. Then okay, then the main thing now is to just come to this area. Some video may not pick this MKV whatever, so yeah, just change it to MP4. Click on this area. Can you see my arrow? When you click on the area, you have to just select MP4. So let me just MP4. I'll now click on this. Okay, so you have already set. The next step now is to just start doing the recording. So right away, if you want to start recording, you will now click on this start recording. Okay, let me just go back to it as start. Let me just go back to my screen. So right now, can you see it's recording on my screen right now? You can type anything here. You can type anything, go to your YouTube video. You can type make money online. Just let me just say make money. You can just type anything, make money online, just type anything, browsing. So and you start it starts recording. Can you see it's recording on my screen right now? So it's recording on my screen, 25 ways to make money online. So all what I'm doing right now, the thing has started recording my screen. So if you want to stop it, so let me just go and stop it right now. All right, let me just go and stop it. Okay, let me just go to my can you see? I'll just click on stop. So I'll just click on this stop recording right now. Can you see? So I've already stopped recording. So if you want to check, if I want to check my recording something, I'll just click on this file. Okay, I'll just click on this file. I'll now click on this show recording. So show recording. So this is the one I just did right now. So this is the one I just did right now. Okay, so this is the one I just did right now. I'll now click on this. So it will start. This is the one I did right now. So it will start showing all what I'm doing. So okay, let me just try to play it for you guys to see. So I want to play it for you guys to see it. So this is the video. Okay, let me just play it for you. So this is how to just install and download and set up your OBS Studio and start using it for free. You don't need to pay any single money for using this app. It's totally free, guys. So this is how to just set it up step-by-step strategy without any issue. So thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and like this video, share this video to all your friends on social media, and try to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have already not done so before. And if you get any value from this video, try to subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys for watching the video. Bye for now, guys.